Tactic 1. Stop the energy drain. As a restaurant chef, maintaining high energy levels is crucial. Focus your attention wisely, as your energy follows your focus. Prioritize your tasks. Concentrate on important tasks first, avoiding distractions from less critical ones that drain your energy. Limit social media use. Social media can be a significant energy drainer. Restrict usage to specific times or turn off notifications. Avoid negative sources. Prevent energy drainage from negative sources like bad news, unfinished tasks, negative people, fear, or poor planning. Tactic 2. Use the energy that you have. Your brain's reticular formation controls your mental energy, including motivation, attention, and alertness. It produces a lot of energy because, in ancient times, we needed it to hunt and escape predators. Today, we don't need it for those reasons, but the reticular formation still creates a lot of mental energy. People often waste this energy on things like scrolling through social media. Instead, stop doing that and use this energy for your goals, like becoming a great chef. Focus on improving your skills, learning new techniques, and traveling to see different things in the world. Tactic 3. Restore your energy. Prioritize rest. Ensure you get enough sleep every night and take breaks throughout the day to rest your mind and body. Engage in physical activity. Exercise boosts energy levels by increasing blood flow and oxygen to your muscles and brain. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Fuel your body with nutritious foods. A healthy, balanced diet provides the nutrients needed for sustained energy throughout the day. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Spend a few minutes each day focusing on your breath and quieting your mind to reduce stress and boost energy levels. Connect with others. Social interactions, whether in person or via phone or text, can provide a sense of connection and energy. Make time for loved ones and social activities.